fire service?
My identification for the courts is not needed here today.
Well, I'm wondering why you're walking up here, because if you're not an attorney, you need to have a seat.
Well, I'm power of attorney, in fact.
So power of attorney is not an attorney. Sir, I'm going to tell you to have a seat. Okay? Have a seat.
I'll just stand out the way.
Sir, this is how it works. I tell you to have a seat, you have a seat, okay?
Well, I'm very familiar with how Gladstone works.
Sit. My rights are that if you willfully disobey an order from me, I can hold you in contempt, okay, and put you in jail. I don't want to do that. I want you to understand that you are not an attorney, so you do not have a right to speak. That's the law. So, ma'am, you're charged with failure. April the 8th, 2019, you did operate a motor vehicle and failed to show proof of financial responsibility upon the command of the police officer. Are you pleading guilty or not guilty?
I do not like to plead today, Your Honor.
What do you want to say?
I would like to challenge the subject matter of jurisdiction as to my beliefs that I can challenge that at any given time, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So you have some paperwork you want to give me, or just a statement that you're challenging the jurisdiction?
Do I need to have that in writing, Your Honor?
No. But you're challenging the
I'm challenging
jurisdiction?
jurisdiction, yes, Your
Any particular reason?
It's to my, like I said, it's to my beliefs. I can satisfy it at any time.
You can satisfy what?
I mean, I'm sorry. It's to my beliefs that I can challenge that at any time. So I'm
And
just,
you have done that.
Right.
Okay, I just want to say, is there anything else you want to say in that regard?
if
A
I can
reason
say-
why you think I don't have jurisdiction?
No, no,
Okay.
I don't have any.
All right. That's overruled, man. Jurisdictional objection is overruled.
And I would like to object to that, Your Honor.
To my ruling?
You objected me challenging the subject matter of
No,
jurisdiction?
I'm not objecting.
Oh, okay.
I say your objection to my jurisdiction is overruled. That means you've lost that argument. So that's step number one, jurisdictional objection
Okay.
overruled. Okay, go ahead, next objection.
So, are you? So are you then telling me by you overruling that I cannot challenge, or I cannot say?
You did challenge it. I say that you're wrong. Yep.
Okay, so at this time, Your Honor, can you please present to the court's knowledge any pre-existing contracts between the municipal court Gladstone and Rage Plain? Is such contracts do exist?
It's not necessary, ma'am.
I'm asking.
Ma'am, it's not necessary. I'm telling you, it's not necessary. You can make that argument. I'm denying your allegation, which was that I don't have, say it again.
The jurisdiction of the
Ma'am, I've already done it. I've already said it. We have jurisdiction. Well, I'm past it.
Can I get that contract, Your Honor? May I have?
There's no contract involved.
There's
There is no contract. I say there isn't, so that statement that there has to be some kind of contract between the city and you is overruled. It's not valid. So next objection.
That's all I have to say.
So are you pleading guilty or not guilty to the charge? We can have no insurance. I'll take that as not guilty plea, and we'll see if the city is ready for trial on that case.
And I would like to object, Your Honor, to the
Did you say I was lying?
I'm not, no, Your Honor.
Okay. Ma'am, well, you can make that statement, that's fine, I heard what you said, but we're still proceeding. You're charged with driving while suspended, you plead not guilty to that charge. Or you haven't entered a plea on that charge, don't enter into the not guilty if you don't enter. You're charged with false information, you won't enter a plea on that charge.
I'm available for all of this.
So I would take that as a not guilty plea. So we've got those three, and you're charged with not being in court on August 24th, 2019. So you're not entering a plea to that charge, and I'll enter a plea of not guilty. So, city ready for trial? Yes, Your Honor. So you better have a seat. You better have a seat, and you better not approach her, and you better not give her any advice.
Mr. Rose, could I have?
Officers. Yes, sir. I'm asking the gentleman to have a seat and be quiet.
Yes, sir.
Get up again and interrupt the court. I hold you in contempt.
Understood.
I don't want to do that, but I've done it before and I will do it again. Be quiet, we're done.
Well, it's in my belief, Your
I'll let
Honor,
Brian know.
I'm gonna plead on your behalf for any kind of plea coercion.
I'm entering the plea for you, it's not guilty. And if you refuse to enter a plea, that is taken by courts as a not guilty plea. That's standard procedure. So, so you ready to proceed?
Yes, sir.
There are the 4 charges. All right. Now, I'm going to swear the witnesses in. Let me read. Yeah, I've read the charge. I've already read the charges to you. That's fine. So, we're going to have a trial. I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand and repeat after me, or answer the testimony you give this evening will be true, nothing but the truth and the faith of the truth.
Your Honor, I don't even know what's going on with you.
Sit down. Sit. Get down. So, Dan, you don't have to testify. Don't testify. Don't enter into decision not to testify as far as your guilt or innocence. But if you don't take the oath, then I will not allow you to testify. So, see, ready to proceed with their officers?
Yes.
Okay, how many officers we got? Just one. All right, you solemnly swear the testimony you give here tonight be the truth, nothing but the truth, nothing but the pain of perjury, or
And also, you put Gladstone public safety on April 8th, 2019.
Yes, it was.
And on that. Charge in just a minute.
Okay.
to testify. Ma'am, you're having a trial. That's what you pled not guilty. The procedure is that we have a trial, witnesses testify. So that's what we're doing right now. This is where we are because of how you've approached it. So just tell me, this is how it works. City can proceed.
And Officer Lodge, we put Gladstone public safety on April 8th of this year, last year.
Is that correct?
And on that day, we had contact with
Yes, I did.
and let us know.
Yes, I did.
And that occurred at about 72nd and North Olive Street in Gladstone.
Yes, sir.
And what was the nature of the initial contact?
I witnessed her vehicle driving without headlights.
And did you conduct a traffic stop at that time?
I did.
And did you ask Ms. Newsom for proof of financial responsibility?
I did.
And did she offer any
No,
proof
she
of
did not.
financial responsibility? And the vehicle was registered in the state of Missouri, is that correct?
I believe so. I'm not 100% sure.
It shows, Oklahoma plates,
Okay.
is that right?
Yes.
And did she offer you a card that was expired or no insurance?
No insurance.
And did she have a transportation excuse? Did you initially ask her for her name?
I asked her for a driver's license. She said she didn't have it on her, and then she provided it with a name.
And was the name that she provided you with a
It's Joe Chas, take it to Clay County.
Right.
Talk about that.
When she came to court, showing responsibility or insurance, he would have let it go. Listen, you messed yourself up.
No, see, so
Listen.
Gladstone, they know me
Hear me
personally.
out.
What they
You're
just
not a
did
lawyer.
there-
Hold on, you're not a lawyer.
No, see, what they
You
just
don't have
did.
a bar license to practice.
I'm not here to do that.
You're not understanding.
What just happened in there goes
No,
against civil procedure.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
They-
These are authority. You're not authority.
I am.
Whatever that judge says,
What just happened in
goes.
there, they don't have to pay for that. They will face charges.
That's not your call though, man.
It is.
You can appeal and take it.
Listen,
Trust me, the court
if she would have
So what
taken,
happened
listen
there, I
to
do
me,
it all the
listen to
time.
me. If she would have pleaded guilty, he would have let her go, fine. I'm telling you.
The jurisdictions of the court is not satisfied
It
for the
doesn't
record.
matter, it's what the judge decided.
not a judge, he's an administrator.
He's a judge.
He's an
Like, boy,
administrative magistrate.
it doesn't matter, he's still a judge. Whatever that man said goes.
It is not, that is not, that's not
Talking
how,
like talking to a wall, man.
that's not how real law works. That's what they
But
want
you're
you
not
to
a lawyer.
think.
You
I'm
don't
not
have-
a lawyer.
You don't have a war license
You're
to
right.
practice.
I'm not here to practice law, I'm here to
You
preserve
got
and
her in
reserve my
jail, she's
rights.
about to go to jail because y'all coming here taking out lawyers. You can't manipulate the system, man. This is a police department we talking about.
The clerk.
Police is here. It's not
She's about to
security. guard.
testify, so
Clerk?
I believe so.
If she would've just,
She walked in right before you walked
judge
in.
would, I'm telling you, judge, you would have found, I'm telling you. Now, she came in with some type of paperwork showing
They wouldn't have done
ownership
this to
of
me.
a car, or
No. They-
insurance,
You guys
proof of
are
insurance.
right. Probably
The
speak,
judge,
probably don't know
he
me,
looked at that.
but they don't treat me this way. And it's because I'm not up there facing them. Okay? That's the only reason why they're doing it today. That's the only reason.
Is this for a violation of traffic ordinance violation? Is
Exactly.
that what this is for?
There's a driver suspended.
Oh, driving was suspended.
I don't know, I'm just bringing it over here.
I wouldn't go back in there.
I didn't see how they would treat me.
You told me you were leaving the property, so that's why I told the judge. If you go back in there, he's probably gonna have you arrested.
Right, look, I just came out here to speak to the clerk because she knows.
Well, you
what's
told me
going
in
on.
there you were leaving the property, so which one is it?
Correct, I'm leaving the property after I speak to the clerk. I'm on my way out.
Dude, what are these games you're playing?
Look.
Why are you trying to get yourself in
Brian
trouble?
and Doug know exactly who I am.
Okay.
Full stop.
Okay.
That's why they're treating me like this. Because
I don't know you.
they know if I had say so on this, it wouldn't have gotten this far.
Okay, you get your bar license and do this.
But you don't.
You can't do
I'm
it.
not an attorney. I'm not here to practice law. That's a felony offense. I'm not here to do that. I'm here to preserve and reserve one's rights, and that is free to all.
Okay.
Full stop, period. So let's not get it twisted.
Full stop, you're not involved in this.
I am power of attorney in fact for her.
I don't know what that
It means I can speak on her behalf to handle business
means. That
matters.
sounds like acting as an attorney.
No, it's a difference. The same way he's not a judge, he's masquerading as a judge, but as administrator. You don't know that because you guys are the little underlings.
That sounds like something you probably should have handled
I've-
before tonight.
I've come into Gladstone many times and got my court cases dismissed.
But you're about to pull this girl down with you
Who are you here with?
by waiting until now to prove your masquerade thing.
No.
Make sure she
This is against procedures of the state of Missouri, and we have more than enough witnesses to account and testify against these charges that will be brought against the municipal corporation Gladstone.
But why did you wait until her traffic
I've
offense hearing to bring all this up?
I've gone through this so much with you guys. You guys, you don't treat me this way. You handle me with respect. Just because it's someone different does not mean it does not apply to her as well.
She's capable of speaking, right?
So you don't know this one at all?
She doesn't really know that I know.
Yeah, that's what he,
Why didn't you tell her before?
I did. The judge, he bypassed it. The courts do not have jurisdiction. For him to say that he
That sounds like
does,
an argument you shouldn't be taking up tonight.
the fact that he lied on the bench and said that he did,
Well, we'll get it figured out there and then we can all be.
his word was not enough to say that he did have jurisdiction. We need the record to reflect that. And he hasn't satisfied that yet. He's basically moving on his own grounds, and at this point, he is acting out in his personal capacity.
Okay.
And at that point, I'm gonna ask him for his bond, because if they hold her tonight, she'll be charging $1,000 per hour for her time. I'll write up all that stuff for her.
Okay.
That's all I'm saying.
Get her done, but I wouldn't do that right now, because you're about to leave in handcuffs.
I would like to speak to you, please.
You brought this guy in?
You're court clerk of the municipal corporation of Gladstone, correct?
Sorry,
You're the court clerk, correct?
I am the court administrator, yes.
Court administrator, also the court clerk, right?
Yes.
I know her.
Did the alleged defendant have a contract with you guys?
Here's what I'm gonna tell you about this. I have certain things I need to follow with the city, and I work for the city.
I understand that completely.
But I am not going to answer any questions about this case.
I understand that
It has,
completely.
you're not an attorney, you're not the defendant. If you wanna go in there and talk to the prosecutor, the judge, that's between the prosecutor, the judge and you.
See, you guys know who I am, so you guys know, you guys don't have problems with me personally.
Do you know this guy? Like,
I know you went in there and you told them I'm a sovereign citizen. I am not that. In fact, I've never taken such claims. But what's going on there right now?
Aren't you the guy that
Yeah, I'm the
they
law
had to,
guy.
they had to walk out the last time you were here?
No.
Can I get my piece of paper, please?
For what?
I'm supposed to, she said I'm supposed to sign it.
I think she needs to.
Oh, no, he has to bring the file out, I'm
Oh,
gonna fill out some stuff.
Really?
What they just,
Nothing.
Okay. this will get back to higher courts. I will go to the Western District Court.
Like, can you,
That's Brian doesn't follow procedure like
by law, like, whenever you see like anything, like, I know, no, I didn't say you was lying, I know exactly what you're because I went in there and tried to teach you that this is their own little whatever, this is their own religion, this is their own little whatever they wanna do,
You
that's
gotta
that.
understand the.
I can appeal it, Tony, but at this
It's a
point, I
jurisdiction.
can appeal it, but at this point, I'm not in jail. I'm not in jail, you feel me, like, bro, y'all can have that money, you
This
feel me?
matter is what
Y'all
we
can
handle
have
right
that money,
now.
It's
okay.
I work, I'm on my 25th birthday this week.
Tell Philip Rose, all right, tell Philip Rose, you want to play hard, I like your time. I like your man. That makes you go hard, you know? Next time it ain't gonna be, it's gonna be real. I'm gonna whip your ass for sure. You guys don't know anything, you think I'm crazy, you guys don't know anything.
Tony, but even when it goes, what are you doing? Can you get out? Go to the park, can you take me to the park, please? My purse. My purse?
There's a person here.
Yes, my purse. I'm sorry.
It's fun, it's like counting to 10, and you skip with 5. So we just skip numbers and say it's correct. You guys aren't even the cops that I used to deal with, so you guys probably don't know anything about what I do.
You'll know exactly how much you owe.
When I get pulled over by you guys, you see me and you let me
We
go.
gave you 3 forms.
Exactly, because I don't know.
Okay, now let's just pay attention.
Coach, oh, no. Hey, all me, hey, Mason, hey, it's all right, it's okay. It's cool. We just know this. I know exactly what you're doing. What's your name? My name? It's not important. I'm a private individual. You hear me?
Who I am?
That's right.
The court clerk, she went in here and told us who I am.
I'll tell you what, I agree with you, your name's not important.
Exactly.
I don't think anybody thinks.
But what happened is that? I got you.
I think the only person here that's
I got you.
Well,
Hey, Philip, I'm gonna get you, buddy.
was that a threat?
I don't want to be careful
No,
what you're
no.
saying.
Was that a threat?
I'm gonna get him on paper.
Tony, go outside now.
Philip.
Go. Go. I'm sorry, I didn't come back.
Fuck them niggas.
I know how y'all
Bro,
do it.
you know how
I know
many
y'all
times-
do it over here.
You know how many times I done went in there and did this shit?
I just want to go to work.
Man, I know.
Alright, man. I've been working all night.
We can appeal it though. He said you got, he said I got 10 days to file an appeal. But Tony, they gave me $500 and it's done. It's done, Tony. I don't gotta worry about it. I don't gotta
they gonna
worry
give you
about
$500
it. That's it. That's it. That's it,
Bro, they got me
Tony.
fucked up, nigga.
That's it. Like, I don't care no more.
Motherfuckers got me fucked up. That nigga, he said,
Tony, do you see what they can do, bro? I could have got a year in jail, bro, just for this
No,
shit. Like,
they was gonna give your ass a year in jail.
that's why they gave me these fines, probably, I'm sure.
But
That's
they didn't-
probably
they
why they
didn't
only fined me, because they knew what I was doing with that shit. But I don't care, bro. I would have $500 in no time, bro. I don't care. I don't
That's
care.
why, look,
I'm out
Lex,
of jail. I don't care.
your offense while driving while suspended was supposed to be. That's why
Give me a year in jail, bro. He finding me $200 for it.
Which one you
Like, I don't even care about the, you know what I'm saying, about getting it dismissed, Tony. Like, if they
No,
can
no, no,
prove
that's
this
a
on my
win.
record, like,
That's
I don't
a
even
win.
care. I gotta find, that's it. She said once these fines are done, you don't gotta worry about Gladstone no more,
Exactly.
bro. I'm just like,
bitch ass. Ooh.
fuck, y'all don't understand, bro. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, I need a fucking bottle and a blunt. All is gone, I don't want to be here. And then, Tony, I'm trying to tell you, they literally was gonna lock your ass up.
I don't give a
So
fuck
they was
about
gonna
them.
lock you up, Tony. Like,
Fuck them. If they would have did it, they would have did it.
bro, I'm done, bro. I'm paying this fine.